Hi students, welcome to RK Math Mitra. So today we'll be seeing theorem based on circles. So what does the statement say is, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So here the tangent at any point of a circle. Here we have drawn a circle where O is the center of the circle. So O is the center of circle. The tangent at any point. What do you mean by tangent? Tangent is a straight line which touches the circle at one and only one point. XY ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? P. That is called the point of contact. So what does the statement say? The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius. You have to prove that OP is perpendicular to XY. Why OP? Because OP is the radius through this P. So O is the center of circle. XY is the tangent at P. The meaning of at P is P is the point of contact. What you have to prove is OP is perpendicular to XY because OP is a radius through this point of contact P. Construction. So you are doing something here. What you are doing is draw a rough sketch. XY is a tangent. Already you know that. OP is the radius. So what you are doing is mark a point M on XY other than P. So you can take it as M, N, whichever letter you want. Mark a point M on XY. Now join OM. When you're joining OM, you see that it passes through the circle and mark that point as Q. Join OM and let it cut the circle at Q. So now 3 steps are ready. Data to prove one construction. In construction, what we have done is we have marked another point M and we have joined OM so that it touches the circle, it passes through the circle at Q. So now we'll be moving on to proof. So in this proof, refer the construction figure. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So when you see the figure, OP and OQ are equal. Why OP and OQ are equal? Because radii of the same circle. In a circle, all radii are equal. So now OP is equal to OQ, radii. Then when you see the figure, you can come to the conclusion that OM is greater than OQ. OM is greater than OQ because OQ is the radius, OM comes out of the circle. Or which can be written as OM is greater than OP. Why instead of OQ we are writing it as OP is because OP and OQ are equal. So this in turn can be written as OP is lesser than OM. OP is lesser than OM. And here you can check, children, when you mark any point on this line XY other than P, always when you join those lines, all the lines will be greater than OP. Always OP, just I'll do here. This is only for your reference. So I have marked the point M. I can mark another point N. So when you join all this, you can see that all these distances will always be greater than this OP. Always OP is the shortest distance from O to XY. So you can do it practically and see. Wherever there is, you can take any number of points and you can check there. You will find that OP will be the shortest from O to XY. And The meaning is OP is the perpendicular because the perpendicular will always be the shortest. So OP is the shortest distance from O to XY means OP is perpendicular to XY. We have arrived at the conclusion. So have you understood? Once again, proof OP is equal to OQ, radii of the same circle. These two are radii. And when you see this circle, you can come to the conclusion that OM is greater than OQ. OM comes out of the circle, whereas OQ is the radius. So OM is greater than OQ or OM is greater than OP because OP and OQ are equal. So in reverse, you can write as OP is lesser than OM. So you can take any number of points on XY other than P, not only M, any n number of points and check always all these lines from O to those points will be greater than OP. So you can come to the conclusion that OP is the shortest distance from O to XY. Always the perpendicular will be the shortest distance. So OP is perpendicular to XY. So have you understood? You can just try it once again, once or twice. Wish you all the very best. Stay home, stay safe and study. All the best. Thank you.